Hi everybody. Welcome back to Catherine's Corner. Today we have an Ipsy box. We're missing our sidekick, our co-host.
I think these scissors are too thick.
I think you guys have seen. I'm talking kind of funny. I had 3 teeth removed.
You open it.
Still rather painful.
Can't get it open.
See, it's got these funky.
Yeah, and the scissors are too thick.
Oh.
Mhm.
Oh yeah. What has Ipsy done? Here we go. Okay. This is our Ready, Set, Play for June 2023. It's our, what is it? What was the name of the box I used to get?
I don't know.
The one I used to get all the time that they took over by Ipsy. Boxycharm. My Boxycharm by Ipsy. And I don't know. It's True Colors. Yeah, we'll just, oh, yay. Brushes. By Farrah.
She doesn't need any more brushes.
Yeah, you can never have enough brushes. Does it tell me how much my brushes are worth?
I don't think it tells you.
No, it does not. What else do I have? Ooh. Ooh. These are grandma's.
I just got brushes for my birthday anyways.
I like these. These are cute.
Unfortunately not wrinkle cream.
That's why the potato is going in a bin. Pure Start Gentle Detoxifying Facial Cleanser. Yes. Gold Fatten MD. Pricey stuff. But does not tell me the price. Il Maquillage. Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eyeshadow Quad Palette. U. Which means yellow. I think. What colors are they? It's very pretty. Oh.
I like those.
I think those are browns.
I like this net. Stealing the net.
You can have the net. Those are nice.
I have to read everything before you.
I don't know if I want to play in that. That's why we're not going to swatch it.
Rihanna.
Oh, Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is suede. I think this was one of my choices. I'm going to try using this. It's color color bronzer. It's kind of warm. I guess it blends out okay. Everybody's using all these cream products. I'm not so sure that...
This one is kind of like wrinkle cream.
I'm gonna hit her. Skin Transformation Cream. Yeah, but it's Keys Soul Care. I love Keys Soul Care. This I'm not gonna open because I have a couple of their products unopened. And that's all I got in my box. There are good products in my box. I'm not unhappy with this Boxycharm box. And
discover yourself.
yeah, they tell you to save the date. What's the save the dates for Ipsy stuff? Oh,
Girl, the box is folding in.
I don't know what this True Colors stuff is supposed to be about on here.
Look at the box though, Grandma. The box is dying in, guys.
I have no idea what any of this stuff means.
The box is dying.
Yes, that box is dying. I'm not so sure. They got these, when Ipsy took over, like their boxes stink, their packaging stinks.
This is what you get.
Yeah.
This is the packaging you get.
Not like
this.
Boxycharm had that nice foam packaging.
They always used to say that and wipe our brushes on it.
Yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like the way Ipsy's taken over, or do you not care, or... My sidekick, she keeps me laughing. Thank you, Potato. Well, I don't know. I'm not unhappy with the box. I'm not sure if I want to keep this or give this to somebody, so I'm not going to swatch those. But I'm going to use the rest of these things. I'm definitely using the brushes. I'm going to try to use the cream products. Everybody's been...
Yeah, mustache now.
I'm recovering. Still hard to talk. It says they took one tooth out here, and the nerves were very close to the surface. So I'm still in a lot of pain with this side. And then they took 2 molars out on this side. So I sound funny. And
I think the ice cream helps.
Funny, yes, ice cream does help. Ice cream always helps. And everything is funny when I talk. So I don't know if I'll be making a lot of videos, but I will be trying to. Oh, yeah, show them that cool thing we got. Oh, we got this cool thing. We'll do it. We'll show it for video. We want to do a couple videos, but it's so hard for me to talk.
If not, we'll do it in a video. Oh, it's right here.
Oh, there it is. Okay. I took Potato shopping for her birthday. She's an official teenager now.
I'm 13.
We got this cool thing at the Five Below.
It was like
you do this to your head. It really tickles. Oh, it gives you the tingles. Really cool. Yes, it's kind of fun to play with.
It feels good.
So, but can't talk for long, so videos will be short. And as soon as I can talk better, I will be back with you more. In the meantime, take care. Thanks for visiting Catherine's Corner. Say bye, Potato.
Bye.